Welcome to my presentation of Marvel Mirror for systems and networking. Let's let me begin by saying this is a Blink app. So to start our Blink app, which is a mobile app, I am currently in my Marvel Mirror folder, which I CD'd into. So I am going to now run my bash script that I made. I called it menu.sh. So I'm going to run that there now. So this gives me a welcome. Please choose one of the following options. I ran into a little bit of difficulty here because I had it running live and the app together, Livestream and the app together, but I ran out of resources and it wouldn't communicate together anymore. So I split the menu. So we're going to start with number 1, which is just the general running of the buttons on the app here on my right hand side. So if I click on lights on, you can see the little light has gone on in my mirror behind me here. And this is my little model Dean, my little teddy bear. So I can turn the light on and off. Up close, the light is actually a little love heart in blue and pink. I will try to take pictures and put them up so you can see what that might look like. It's just very bright, so you can't quite see it at the moment. Then I have a button that says quote. So if I press quote here, it shall flash love the outfit. You're looking like a babe. And you are, I think, 20 out of 10. There are a few options there. It all depends on the temperature, pressure, and humidity in the room, whether it actually hits the values that I've set. Then I have the option of Twitter to tweet. So if I press the tweet button, the option is to enter a message here. So I'm going to say, as everything else is, hello world, and enter that there. And if I press the tweet again, it should have lost it there. That should have sent to my Twitter. One moment there now. Should have. We'll see. Let's see. There he is, little Dean. And it says hello 1. So that was something I sent a few minutes ago. So it's taking a little bit extra time to come in. I'll check in a second. It takes a little bit of time to come through. Hello world. Yeah, there we are. So it's asking me for another tweet, so I'll say hi, and that'll be fine. So moving on, there's another button, and that is temperature. So that will flash up what temperature it is currently. I should do. One moment. Sorry, I think I need to send that other tweet. And then temperature is showing up. So the current temperature is 39.1 degrees. So it's actually quite toasty in here. Then I have my motion detection button. So if I press motion detection, let me see. Sometimes they're a little bit funny. Yeah. So that detected some motion there. So that should send me a text message in a second if everything is going right. Hopefully a text message will come in now. Hopefully. We can wait for that text message anyway. There it is. So if I click into that text message there, it says, welcome to Marvel Mirror. We at Marvel Mirror would like to thank you for trying out our product. If you would like to check out our website, please click here. So that sends the text message there. I'll get out of there now and back into Blink. So then I have a email option. So if I press the email button here, it takes a picture and it sends the email. One moment, I will check my emails there now. There should be a new snap coming in. Let me just refresh there. Should be coming in. Again, it is a little bit slow. There it is. So there he is. You have been snapped. And that's me in the background there as well. So moving back here, I'll go back to the app now. So then I have photo, which is just a regular photo that you can take multiples. So that's one photo. I can take another. And these all get uploaded to Firebase. It'll take a few seconds to catch up there now. But yes, and I will show you soon my glitch application where you can view the last couple of photos I've taken from in the gallery. So let's see, that should have taken a few there. So my final button, apart from my glitch application, is called Photo Booth. So I don't know if you can see this, but I have, no, how do I do this? I have a printer here, and if I press Photo Booth, it should print a photo. This might take a little bit of time, but I'm going to press Photo Booth now. That should start printing there now in 2 seconds, so we'll check in on that in a minute. So that has activated there. We can see that here, that it is going to print. So moving on, I'm going to exit this command section here, and I am going to set up for the live stream, which was number 2 in the options. So now I can go back to glitch here, and if I press Marvel Mirror glitch, I can show you what the app looks like. So these are just my last recent little pictures that I had taken. I don't think they've updated yet, but yeah, there. These have updated just there. So this little guy was taken a few times there. So that is my gallery. And if I move to dashboard, it has just a little welcome to Marvel Mirror and a bit of a play on Snow White. So if I click here, it'll bring me to Livestream. This can be a little bit glitchy, so it will take time to catch up. If I stay on that there for another minute, it will catch up on my hand movements, hopefully. The camera is a little bit overworked, but so that is I can get out of there now. I don't think my hand movement caught up, but it does work. Yeah, there's a bit of movement there. So let me see. So I'm going to go back here. If I press this way out, it'll bring me back to my main page. And I can go to the About section here, which has a little bit about the product. It says that there's another version coming soon. It has a general instruction of how to get set up in VS Code, and then how to run the menu. Then it runs through all of the button options as well. I think my printer is going to take another little while. So then I have trends. This was just a quick thing that I put in just with a little bit of ThinkSpeak. And just a few graphs that have read some temperatures and different things like that. And my phone is deciding to have a malfunction here. Has a few graphs, but you can check that out with my GitHub repo if you like. That is pretty much all my code. Not code, that is pretty much all my app. It's taking a little bit of time for this printer to print, but I will show you the outcome at the end. So yeah, I'm just going to stop the printer there now. And you can get a general idea what it could have been. So this is a half picture of the little teddy bear. So that just got sent to him there. So that concludes my presentation on the run through of my app. Thanks for listening.